Hi.
Hi.
Can I tell you who you are, please?
Sure. You want me to look at you or you want me to look this way?
As you want.
Okay, I'll look at you.
Hi.
So, yeah, my name is Dennis Crowley. I'm the co-founder and CEO of a New York-based startup called Foursquare.
Yes, can you explain in a few words what's Foursquare?
Sure. So with Foursquare, we're making applications for mobile phones, iPhones, Androids, and Blackberries that really make it easier for people to go out and experience the city and discover the world. So, the main thing that people do on Foursquare is they check into places. When people check in to let their friends know that they're at a bar or a restaurant or coffee shop, or sometimes people check in just to remember that they were there, or we have these game mechanics built in as well, so people check in to earn points and rewards that sometimes can be used for $1 off a coffee or maybe a free appetizer.
And how did you get the idea?
We've been working in this space for a long time. Used to be obsessed with the idea of just knowing where all my friends were at all times so we could help people connect. Since then it's just kind of grown up. So it's more than just dots on a map that represent your friends. It's like, what should I be doing? What experience should I be having? What are the new places that my friends are finding? And really this idea of, can you use software to encourage people to go out and do things that they haven't done before? And I think that's a core part of what Foursquare is doing.
And the point of the badge, where it's make us think about achievement.
Yes.
Where comes the idea for that?
It comes from a couple things. Like, I used to work at a company that was called Area Code, and we did we're doing a lot of experiments with games that overlap with the real world. I'm a big fan of the Nike Plus. You use Nike Plus, you run with it, and it measures how you run. And you can compete with people, and it kind of encourages you to go out and run in ways that other things can't. And so this idea of software as a motivator, I think, is really interesting. And game dynamics are a good way to encourage that.
And what's the near future for Foursquare?
Well, I think a lot of it's just taking a lot of the things that we're doing and taking the great user community we have and just building out a little bit more, right? So we've got people that are checking in 3 or 4 times a day, and we should be able to do something with that data. What we want to do is take all the data that users are giving us and recycle it back to the users so we can help them make better decisions about the things that they should be doing and the places they should be finding and the people that they should be meeting.
And more likely, it's the first time you come in France?
I haven't been to France in maybe 10 years or so. Last time I was here, I was just backpacking with my cousin. It's fun. This is Foursquare's 3rd trip to Europe. We did a talk in Amsterdam and one in Barcelona, and then LeWeb. It's fun. Everyone here knows what we're doing, and everyone here loves what we're doing, and it's just it feels real good.
And you had time to visit Paris?
Not really. It's the middle of a blizzard right now, and the streets are slippery and wet and slushy. So I haven't really been in the mood to walk around. And plus, there's so many people that meet here. It's been great just kind of hanging out.
And one real question for French people.
Yeah.
Do you take holidays?
Do I take holidays? I take the weekends off. No, I took try to go skiing on the weekends, and I took a couple of days off for Thanksgiving. But there's a lot of work to do, and the team's all working pretty hard. I feel guilty. I'm working here, but I feel guilty being out of the office. So it's tough sometimes.
Okay, thank you.
Cool, great, thanks so much. Appreciate it.